Hello viewers, welcome to British Language and IELTS Club BLC and British American English and IELTS Teaching Training Test and Research Academy by International Bangladesh Kazla Motihar Rashi Center. This is ME Alert via Honors MA in English and ELT First Class First, Russian University, Professor of English and Brand Ambassador of IELTS and Int'l, Bangladesh. As a part of our English Language 8 Skills International Fluency and Proficiency Diploma Certificate ELDC course and TESOL program, this video is one English vocabulary mega service 2, homonym, homophone, homograph, polysemy and polygraph. So, this series is undoubtedly going to be very important, helpful and beneficial to you. Let's begin. In this video, I am going to talk about Professor Lord's English Vocabulary Mega Series 2, Part 1, Lesson 1, Introduction to Homonym, Homophones and Homographs. Let's get started. Basically, homonyms, homophones and homographs are the most common obstacles and barriers in learning English to the beginners. Actually, in English, a homonym is a word that sounds and spells same or apparently same as another word but fully differs in meaning. Homonyms can refer to both number 1 homophone and number 2 homograph. The description of a homonym covers that of both a homophone and a homograph. They simply need to look or sound the same. Now, let's see the basic difference between a homophone and a homograph. Number 1. Homophone. Homophone is a word that is pronounced the same as another word but differs in meaning and is spelled differently. For example, ad, meaning poster, flyer, advertisement, but add, meaning attach, include, insert. SELL, meaning auction, work, market, trade, etc. But CELL, cell, meaning small, compartment, room, alcove, antechamber, apartment, etc. BY, by, meaning across, alongside, beyond, nearby, over, etc. But BUY, by, meaning purchase, acquire, gain, garner, get, obtain, procure, etc. WRITE, write, meaning compose, type, inscribe, transcribe, publish, edit, etc. And RIGHT, write, meaning equitable, fair, honest, lawful, accurate, etc. are all homophones as though they are pronounced the same as another word but differs in meaning and is spelled differently. Now, I am gonna speak about homograph. Number 2, homographs. Homographs are words with the same spelling but having more than one meaning. For example, LETTER, letter, meaning alphabetic symbol of a language in Bangla Akkor. LETTER, its second meaning is formal or informal correspondence for written communication in Bangla Chithi. DATE, date, first meaning rendezvous or a time for appointment or meeting in Bangla Tariq. DATE, date, second meaning small sweet fruit in Bangla Khejur. BEAR, bear, first meaning carry, বহন করা, second meaning bear, tolerate, সহ্য করা, BEAR, bear, its third meaning is a mammal or animal in Bangla, bhulluk, etc. are all homographs, but they also satisfy the criteria of a homonym. Guys, in my next video on homophone series, I will speak about homophone lesson 2. 10 most common homophones begin with A and their IRP and IPA accent in detail. Be a glorious member of BLC and Byte International Bangladesh to speak English fluently like a native with international standard and get IELTS 8+ score within the shortest span of time. Register for IELTS here and enjoy free mock test. We maintain international standard in teaching English and IELTS. Admission going on.